Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can go live on YouTube step by step. If you've ever wanted to talk to your audience in real time or host your own live show, this video is for you. So let's get started. Before you can go live, you need a few things ready. First, a verified YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com/verify and verify using your phone number. Second, make sure your channel has no community guideline strikes. And finally, remember that YouTube may take up to 24 hours to activate live streaming after verification. Once that's done, you're ready to go live from your phone or your computer. Let's start with your phone. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select Go Live. Now give your stream a title, a short description, and choose whether it's public or private. You can also add a thumbnail and even schedule your live for later. Once you're ready, tap Next, then Go Live. And that's it. You're broadcasting live to the world. If you want to go live from your computer, go to studio.youtube.com. Click Create, and then Go Live. You'll see two options, webcam or streaming software. Choose webcam, enter your title and details, check your camera and mic, and then click Go Live. You can chat with your viewers live, just like a real show. For gamers, podcasters, or anyone who wants a more professional live show, you can use software like OBS Studio or StreamYard. These tools let you add your logo, background music, guest interviews, or even multiple camera angles. You just need to copy your YouTube stream key and paste it inside the software, and you're ready to stream like a pro. More views, more income. And that's how easy it is to go live on YouTube. Once your live ends, YouTube automatically saves it to your channel as a normal video, so people who missed it can watch later. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends who also want to go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you live next time.